Okay, so for the next part of your Black Flag mission, you need to use this information here to read a file in Python. Okay, so the way it works is this PID, this numeric code, is made up of 15 or 16 characters. It says here, and the first character is labeled at 1, and then the next ones are found at 101, 201, and 301. Okay, so to do this, one method is to just go grab the file. So it's in artifacts. Click on protein, right click, save link, save it into the area that you are going to use. So I just saved it in here. You can just click save, paste that one. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so it's a number of letters, amino acids. So for the first one, this is the first code, M. The next one will then be at 101. So that's going to take a long time to try and find. You probably make a mistake. So the best thing to do is try to write a program that will take this file and then find the information for you. Okay. So to do that, we will start a new file, Python file. Here it is. So the first thing we do, we're just going to give it a title here, hashtag simple PID solution.py, sorry, and we're going to create a new variable called protein underscore string, and we're going to open a file called protein.txt. Now it's important that you call this the correct name because this is the name of the file here. It's called protein.txt, and that the file is saved in the same folder as your Python file. So to open that up, just to show you how to do that, you just click on Spotlight and type IDLE. Okay, and it'll open a new one like this. You simply click on File and then New File, and you should have a new blank file like this. Okay. Once you've done that, then you can take this code, simply type it in here. Okay. Copy that, and we can paste it in here. Okay, and then I can just save that. So Command S. Okay, and we're going to save it in the same folder I saved my last piece of work. So it's in here, and then year 9, lesson 2, and I'm just going to call this PID simple solution. Okay, and save. Okay, so you notice I've done the first one. So the first one says 1 here. So for example, it says on the example here on this strategy, the information. Okay, so it's at 101, 201, 301. Okay. Okay, so we need to keep going until we get to 15 characters. So we need to keep taking this piece of code here. So I need to copy that again. And then this is going to be 300. Copy. It's going to be 400, and so on and so on. Okay, does that make sense? So you need to keep going until you get 15 characters. So we're only at 5 at the minute. Okay, and if I run this, run module, press OK, it's printed the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. Okay, so you need to keep going until you get to 15, and then you can just copy that code and put it into your solution. Now it may not be the first one, it is one of the first 4, so you may need to change this. So it goes to the next one. So for example here, if the character is 2, it should be 202, 302, 402, and so on. Okay. So I can change this one. So this one's already at 1. So if I change this to 2, this will be 1. This will be 101. This will be 102. No, sorry. It should be 201. It should be 301. And this one should be 401. Okay. So I command and save that one. Run module. Okay, it gives me the next one. Okay. So try that.